Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we will continue the chapter number 7, circle. In today's lecture we are going to learn the interior and exterior of a circle, the circumference of a circle and an arc of a circle. We see one by one each topic. So first we see the interior and exterior of a circle. See here I draw the circle and I take one point. You can easily say that point O is a center of a circle. Here point O is a center of a circle. Now I take some another point. Point Q, point R, point S and point S and point T. What we call such a point? What we call such a point? See here. See, this region is inside this circle. This region is inside this circle. So, such a point are called interior. See here, the region inside the circle. The region inside the circle is called interior of a circle. So, the point that inside the circle are called interior of a circle. So, here point Q, R, T and S are interior of a circle. Now, see, I take some another point, point M, point N and point L. So, these points are outside this circle. So, the region outside the circle is called exterior of a circle. So, the point which outside the circle are called exterior of a circle. So, here point N, M and L are exterior of a circle. Now, I take point H and G. See here point H and point G. Here I take point H and G on the circle. So, such a point are called points are on the circle. Such a points are called points are on the circle. Now, see here, there is a problem set 30. See the question. In the table below, write the names of the points in the interior and exterior of the circle and those on the circle. See here, one diagram is given and there are some points. We have to write the points in the interior, exterior and points on the circle. So, you can say that which points are interior, exterior or points on the circle. So, see here in this circle, in this diagram, point Y, R, T and X are the interior points. So, here you have to write point Y, point R, point T and point X as the interior point. Now, in the second one, we have to write the exterior point. So, here, which point are the exterior? Point M, Z and W. Point M, W and Z are the exterior of the circle. So, write here point W, point M and point Z. Now we have to write points on the circle. So, here which points on the circle? See, point P and point N. Point P and point N are on the circle. Now, let's see the next topic. Next topic is circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle. Now, see, you have learned parameter. You have learned about a parameter. Parameter of a square, parameter of rectangle and parameter of a triangle. So, what is a parameter? Parameter is the total length. Parameter is the total length. See, if we have to find the length of some square, triangle and rectangular object, so we use parameter. Now, how can we find the length of bowl? Length of bowl which is the circular in shape. See, bowl is circular in shape. So how can we find the length of this bowl? So for that, see, take one string or thread and wind a string once around the bowl. Once around the bowl and make a full circle around it. See, in this way. See over here in the picture. Take one string and wind a string around a bowl. Around the bowls, and see a full circle is made around it. Now unwind the circle. Unwind the circle and straight it in this way. And then measure the straight part and then measure the straight part with a ruler. So the length of this is length of a circle. So length of this straight string is the length of a circle. See, parameter have a special name as circumference. Parameter has a special name as circumference. So we call it as circumference of a circle. Now see the next point. Next point is arc of a circle. Next point is arc of a circle. Now suppose this is a bangle which is circular in shape. See, I take 2 points. I take 2 points on the circle. One is here and another is here, and I give it the name it as A and B. So I cut this circle on the point A and B. So this circle is divided into 2 parts by this point, So we call it as, see, in this way the bangle is cut. So we call it as arc. We called it as arc. Arc means curved part or the part of a circle between 2 points. See, we call it as arc AB. Here we get 2 arc AB, arc AB. We cannot say which of the 2 arcs we are speaking of. So an additional point is taken on each arc. Here I take point C and here I take point D. See, so this point is used to give each arc a 3-letter name. This point is used to give each arc a 3-letter name. So here 2 arcs, ACB and ADB. Now remember, when write the name of arc, it must first write arc. It must first write arc and then write the name. See here, arc ADB. In this way, write the name. Now let's see, there is a problem set 31. See, there are 4 questions in problem set 31. So we see one by one each. See the first one. In the figure given alongside, point S, L, M and N are on the circle. Answer the question with the help of diagram. See here, one diagram is given and there are 4 points on the circle. Point L, M, N and S. And we have to write the answer of these 2 questions. See here, in the first one, write the name of arcs with end points S and M. See here, we have to take end point as S and M. We have to take end point as S and M. That means we have to cut the circle on the point S and M. So see, we have 2 arcs. It gives 2 arcs, arc SLM and arc SNM. So write here in the answer. See, arc SLM N, arc, S, N, M. Here we have two arc SLM and arc SNM. In this way we write the answer of second one. See, in the second one, write the name of the arcs with the endpoint L and N. With the endpoint L and N. Now see, here we have to take endpoint L and N. So here we cut this circle over here. So we have two arcs, arc LMN and arc LSN. We have two arc LSN and arc LMN. Now see the question number 2. Question number 2 is, write the names of arcs that point A, B, C and D in the given circle give rise to. See, again here we have to write the name of arcs. Name of arcs that give from the points A, B, C and D. So let's see. See, first if we cut this circle on the point A and C, so we have two arc ABC and arc ADC. We have two arc ABC and arc ADC. And if we cut this circle on the point B and D, so we have again two arcs DAB and DCB. We have again two arc DAB and arc DCB. So in this way you can solve or write the name of arc. See the third one. Give the name of the arcs that are made by points P, Q, R, S and T in the figure. See, here you have to write the name of arcs that are made by the points P, Q, R, S and T. So again consider 2 points as an end point. See, here I consider P and S as an end point. So we have two arcs PTS and arc PQS or PRS. See, here we have two arcs PTS and arc PQS or arc PQ or arc PRS. See, here in this arc there are 4 letters on this arc, but we take only 3 letters. So first I take 3 points PQS and then PRS. So in this way you have to write remaining names of the arc. Now see the question number 4. Question number 4 is, measure and note down the circumference of different circular objects. See, here you have to collect different objects which is circular in shape and measure their circumferences and note down it in your register. So here we completed our first term syllabus or the 7 lessons. I hope you all are maintaining your registers and copy all the problem sets in your register very well. Also homework from the PDF which I am sending in your WhatsApp group.